Hello students, this is regarding the refresher course on Introduction to C Programming by Professor Shailesh Kulkarni and Professor Nitin Bhupre. This course is initiated by the department to provide the knowledge of C programming. Let's look at course contents for week 1. These course contents are nothing but the introduction. So history of C till the float variables. Next, data types, operators. These contents will be covered in week 1. Week 2 will contain decision control structure, loop control structure, and case control structures. Week 3 will contain function, pointer, and arrays. Week 4 will contain strings as well as structures. And the important note over here is after every week, the online test will be conducted and the cumulative grade will be considered as a final result which will be printed on the certificates. Now the overall objective of this course. It might be the obvious question in your mind why to learn the C programming. These are nothing but some of the reasons why to go for the C programming. The first one, since C is the best to understand the other programming languages like C++, Java, even Python, as well as Arduino programming or some of the scripts. Second reason, good placement in order to get the good job in software industries or maybe in the hardware industries. So this is what the requirement. Third one is nothing but the to develop yourself in a logical sense. Fourth is to develop a good projects at the third year, that is mini projects and seminar, as well as at the final years. Next is nothing but to have the knowledge of embedded system development, where we are going to learn some of the embedded C language which will guide you regarding some of the flavors of syntax of C programming. Next is nothing but the operating systems. In order to have the deep knowledge of operating systems, C is essential. And finally, for understanding programming related subjects at SCT as well as the B level, like SPOS, microcontroller, advanced processor, digital signal and processing, machine learning, artificial intelligence, embedded system and real-time operating system, Internet of Things, etc. So this will give you the guidance to provide why to go for learning C programming. So this is all about the very first introductory session. So thank you everyone and happy learning.